Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be using Sunny Owl products to show you how to get super moisturized, bouncy, and defined curls whether or not you have natural hair, relaxed, or transitioning hair. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. So like I said, I'll be using Sunny Owl products today, which are made with 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil, and that is going to help moisturize, promote hair growth, thicken hair, and help with dry, flaky, itchy scalp. So you guys can see my hair is so dry. I kind of washed it a couple days ago, didn't moisturize it, and just put it into a low ponytail, and yeah, pretty much I neglected my hair. So I'm going to first start off with the Sunny Owl Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil Extreme Hydration and Detangling Shampoo. And I did not pre-poo my hair, so I was honestly really nervous. I did not want my hair to be dry and stripped, and this was so moisturizing, you guys. Like, so moisturizing. I was very shocked. It is paraben free and sulfate free. Smells amazing, has an amazing lather. My hair felt nice and clean. And in a second you'll even see that I was able to finger detangle my hair with the shampoo. So that says a lot when you can finger detangle with the shampoo. So if you're struggling with dry hair, definitely you have to try this out. So once I finished shampooing the rest of my hair, I went on to the Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil Extreme Hydration and Detangling Conditioner. This, of course, is made with Jamaican Black Castor Oil, but it's also made with sesame seed oil and rosehip oil. And I could not get it out of the container. It's a little thick, but I did just kind of squeeze it onto my hair and it still worked. It's very softening, so this could also be used as a co-wash if you're not into using shampoos often. And also it made my hair super easy to detangle. I did use my wide tooth comb, but I could have easily just used my fingers and my comb just went right through. So definitely love this for detangling. So my hair was already moisturized and soft and defined after I rinsed out that conditioner, but for even more intense moisture, I went ahead and used the Intensive Repair Mask from Sunny Owl. And you guys, you need to get this product if you do not get anything else from this line. You have to get this. You guys know I'm always raving about using, different deep conditioners and masks and the great benefits it has for your hair. And this did not fall short of my expectations. It literally exceeded them. Now, it's super thick and creamy and it literally melted into my strands. Went onto my hair so easily, great slip, smelled good too. It does say that it's going to minimize your breakage in half. It's going to strengthen your hair and moisturize. So no matter what condition your hair is in, if you use this, you're definitely going to benefit from it. Now before I get to styling, I did want to show you guys what my hair looked like when I rinsed the mask out. I've never had so much definition when I rinsed out a product. It was so defined, it was so soft. So let's just get right into styling. I will be doing a rod set. Now I did let my hair towel dry just a little bit and it was still nice, soft, and defined, but I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair into my sections so I can begin doing my rod set. So you guys already know how I do my hair. I take my section, I spray it with my spray bottle of water, and then I go ahead and detangle. Now this video is all about moisture and definition, so I'm using Sunny Owl's Not Free Forever Natural Leave-In Detangler. This can be used obviously as a detangler, but also as a rinse out conditioner or a leave-in. So I use this as a leave-in. I use a nice generous amount, and I really liked it. It made my hair so soft, and as you'll see, it gave me some nice elongated curls. So definitely liked this. But the star of this rod set for just maximum definition as well as helping with moisture is the new Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mousse. Now this is perfect for wraps, sets, and twists. Now for my sections of hair, 2 to 3 pumps was perfect, and it just really made my hair nice, and it made it like nice and clumped together. I'll try to show you guys what I'm talking about, but using mousses is perfect for those who struggle with definition because it's going to give you hold. So when you go to separate, your hair is not going to frizz up, and just you're not going to lose your curl. So after I work that in, I make sure to detangle with my tangle teaser or my little fine tooth comb, whichever I just seem to grab. And I went ahead and put my hair on the rod. So how I do mine, everyone does it different. I just go ahead and wrap my ends first, and then I wrap my hair all the way up, making sure to cover my ends so it doesn't curl up or unloosen. And then I use a little rubber band and place it over my root and secure. Now I almost forgot to show it on camera, but I am just making sure to oil up my scalp with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Pure Butter from Sunny Owl. And I did recently do a product review on this. It is so good for my dry, itchy scalp. It has a grease-like consistency, but it goes on so nicely and just soaks into my skin. So using that to oil my scalp. So I'm just going to repeat those steps all around my hair, making sure to use the Not Free Detangler and the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mousse, and then putting my hair onto the rod. Now, perm rod sets or even flexi rod sets are perfect for, of course, naturals, but you can also do this if you have relaxed or transitioning hair, especially for those who want to hide the two textures and kind of blend it. If you do a perm rod set, then you can definitely blend those two textures and you'll have one uniformed curl. Now I believe I did use 36 rods, and I sat underneath my hooded dryer for about an hour or so and then air dried overnight. Now when it comes to how many rods and how big your section should be, just make sure you don't have too much hair on a rod or your hair is just never going to dry, you guys. So I waited an entire 24 hours later to take my rods down, and I had super defined curls and they were bouncy and soft. So to separate my hair, I did use Sunny Owl's original Jamaican Black Castor Oil on my hands, and this just helps to reduce any frizz. And you guys know how I separate. I just take small pieces and twirl my finger down my hair shaft or my hair strand, whatever. And that's how I get my nice defined curl. So I'm just going to do that all around my hair and kind of just fast forward past that. So of course, you guys know I had to go in with my wide tooth comb to fluff my roots and give my hair volume, but these are the finished results and I was so in love with my hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been loving putting the whole bangs in my face look. Like, it's just so cute. My hair is moisturized, it's soft, it's defined and fluffy. So if you haven't done this style, whether you're natural, relaxed, or transitioning, definitely try it out. I will put a video down below on how you can get this style to last 7 days, because this style can last you the entire week. I will put all the information on where you can get these Sunny Isle products. Sunny Isle is the only brand that is approved for export by the Jamaican government, so it is 100% pure and natural. And it just has great benefits. So I know if I continue to use these, I definitely will see a difference in my hair and my growth and etc. So check the description box for all the links. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.